climbing plants.
Yeah, we're going vertical with color.
Okay.
All right. Hey, you know, if you have a small landscape or you have even a small condominium that you live at and you would like to have some color, go vertical. Go vertical. They can go, you know, go up a wall. They lean on a wall. There's all different kinds. Some of them are climbers or twiners, and some are, you know, leaners. You know, here we have the beautiful one. This is a great called white snow. It's a tropical vine, but this one, the unique thing about this one, it can go in a container and it takes it really dry. It can take those dry out periods, let's say if you go on vacation, but it's flowering all summer long. The 97-degree heat, it laughs at it.
It loves it.
Yes, definitely loves it. You know, a lot of times when people have love climbing roses, that's a classic romantic climbing vine. Here's a beautiful one called the scarlet or the red scrambler kind of type. You know, when you're looking at a rose, you can decide what kind of, you want it on a wall or you want it on a pergola. Here's the difference of them, is to see how the flexible that is, right, like that. You know, like if you have a Don Juan that's really rigid, that one goes on a wall. Okay. This one's going to go on a pergola because you can wrap it around. It's really flexible. And this is a beautiful one. It will flower pretty much all summer long. Very easy to take care of and extremely drought tolerant. This is a great one for our Florida landscapes. Any of these plants you can get at Ace Hardware. They have a great selection. Here's a, you know, everybody was commenting about the Dutchman's pipe here. And this is a beautiful looking, a very unusual, looking vine. This is its flower right here. Unusual. It's a carnivorous plant.
Really?
Yes. And you see this little yellow area here? That's kind of like the little pitcher where they climb in there. The insects climb in there, and then the plant digests it. Oh. And, you know, these are often, you know, found in areas where there's low fertility soil. And I even opened up one of them. And you see that little bug right there?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a little bug, and he's getting digested. Goodbye. Okay, so, you know, this is an unusual vine. You can have it in, you know, it gets big, but you got to keep it clipped and, you know, have these unusual flowers.
And it'll take care of a couple of the bugs in there.
Yeah, exactly. Get rid of the bugs. It has a very sweet kind of smell. You know, bougainvillea, here's a bougainvillea right here. And, you know, beautiful tropical flower looking, you know, burgundy. A lot of the times people ask me, you know, really, how do I get my bougainvillea to, you know, really grow well and to flower well? Because they grow well a lot of times and then you don't have any flowers. I would say first thing you want to do is pick the easiest ones to grow on your first attempt. And then those are more often going to be these colors with their dark burgundy, reds. You know, they're more vigorous. And if they go burn down in the winter because we have, you know, our cold winters, they'll quickly recover. What I use on bougainvillea for years is Miracle-Gro rose fertilizer and fish emulsion. Make sure it's in a dry, sunny area. You know, getting 8 to 10 hours of sun. It's got to have 8 to 10 hours of sun, and can grow in containers. You know, so that's another great plant for containers. Here's an mandevilla. This is a beautiful, again, a high temperature type vine. I'm kind of getting intimate with this one.
No, that's the carnivorous one.
Right. But here, it's a beautiful pink. It has this dark center right there, and again, the plant that's going to flower all summer long. You know, for the more
about 30 seconds.
For a more traditional vine, we have the Cape honeysuckle.
Oh,
this is coral. You know, beautiful fragrance. Again, you know, a great vine for attracting hummingbirds. They have some red ones that are, you know, again for hummingbirds and butterflies. A great vine. You know, flowering in the middle of summer too.
I like that.
So go
one.
vertical.
Yes, go vertical. I think the Cape honeysuckle is my favorite.
All right.
So if you'd like more information on these climbing plants and you want to go vertical, go to larrysgarden.com.